So this is how the bank calculates your interest payment and principal payment every month. The other way is just to use, like I showed you before, interest divided by your number of monthly payments times loan balance, and your principal payment is going to be just your monthly payment minus your interest payment. That's the same. I wanted you guys to see both of these ways. The typical programming in Excel, the IPMT and PPMT functions, assume standard loan terms. So they assume that your loan amount, your interest payment, and your number of payments is going to be the same and not going to change throughout the life of the loan. We're going to look at some scenarios where you may be prepaying your loan with a certain amount every month. So we're going to actually just use the manual calculation. So that's more flexible. So the next month, the ending loan balance is going to be equal, just the same as loan balance at the beginning of the next month. So the beginning loan balance at any period will be just the ending loan balance from the prior period. And that's going to be your loan balance minus whatever you contributed from the principal. Your payment is not going to change. Payment stays the same as long as long terms stay the same. What does change is your interest in your principal payment parts. Notice the principal payment is already a little bit larger, and the interest payment is already a little bit smaller in your second payment. So let's see now what happens during those 30 years. If you highlight all these formulas and simply double click to go all the way to 360, Excel will calculate all these formulas for you. Remember, your payment doesn't change, so those formulas need to be fixed. But your interest payment is going to depend on whatever loan balance is at the beginning of the period. So the very last month, the principal payment is going to be exactly what is going to contribute to the loan balance, and the remainder is the